Do you like the idea of the outdoors, but are afraid to get out there? If you've ever hesitated to hit the trails, especially in the winter, I've got your back. Today we're diving into the snowy magic of Uetliberg, Zurich's very own mountain. And if you're a beginner day hiker feeling a bit unsure, stick around. I've got 5 game-changing tips to make your snowy adventure unforgettable. The last tip is as important as the first, so stick around to the end. Ready to conquer those trails with confidence? Let's jump into the snow. Before we embark on any snowy journey, check the local weather forecast and prepare for what lay ahead. For Zurich and Uetliberg, we got lucky with the sun today, and it's always better to know the weather. Let's get on the trail. Tip number 2, footwear matters. Insulated, waterproof boots with solid traction are your winter trail buddies. They'll keep your feet warm, dry, and steady on the sometimes slippery paths. A good pair of boots will keep you trekking for hours on end. You hear that? Awesome, let's keep going. Tip number 3, familiarize yourself with the trails. Don't walk on trails that look like they might be for bicycles or for sledding.
Whoa, live action. Oh my goodness. Yeah, see? They go real fast down here. Oh, so cool. I didn't know that was going to happen. But watch out, man. They can come zipping down here. Just be real careful. I've seen kids walking on these paths, and that's quite dangerous. So just letting you know. It's because by the looks of it, there's tracks here. And these look like sledding tracks, right? So it looks to me that I might not be safe going this direction, or it might be a little more hazardous. I mean, they don't go so fast, but is it better to go this direction if I'm on foot or that direction? But I'm gonna go that way, so let's go. Oh, what did I say? I just heard a sled coming down. Do you see them? Ooh, they're actually going pretty fast.
The 4th tip for any beginner day hiker is to pack smart and pack light. Water, snacks, a trail map, and a fully charged phone are your essentials. Toss in a basic first aid kit and you're good to go. Hey, as we tackle Uetliberg snowy trails together, I want to hear from you. Have you hiked here in winter? Any tips for our community? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's create a dialogue of explorers. And finally, Uetliberg has trails for all levels, but it's essential to know your limits. Choose a trail that matches your experience and plan your hike according to the winter daylight hours. Safety first. All right, TrekHer Tribe, congratulations! You've survived the snowy Uetliberg. If you enjoyed these tips or our amazing adventure together, give that like button a snowy high five. Subscribe for more outdoor escapades, and let me know where you'd like to go for our future outdoor explorations. If you'd like to see more of my trek up the rare snowy Uetliberg, click on this video. Until next time, stay warm, stay curious, and keep exploring. And I'll see you down the road.